could stay like this, forever following you.
No, we put this on.
Kuya.
Quiet!
Okay.
Hey, what was that? Anyway. Also, I don't have lips right now because we're still gonna eat lunch and I don't wanna like retouch it or whatever. I also have these breakouts. Oh my god, planning this whole surprise birthday is so stressful. Anyway, we are going to surprise Adrian for his birthday. His birthday is not today, it's actually next week. So for today, we are actually going to check in. The theme is Game of Thrones. I even like Photoshop a cute invitation picture. My sisters have been helping me so much with everything, with decorations, with preparing. I hope that it works. Whoa. A ghost. No, it's just my doggy. I think I went a little bit overboard with the whole party, to be honest. Adrian is not one of the people who like surprises. He doesn't really like that whole shebang. This has been a plan for, I want to say, at least like 2 to 3 months now. We actually vlogged a little bit throughout our work. I will check back in with you later. Adrian actually thinks that I'm at work, and my excuse is we were going to celebrate his birthday today, only me and him. He has no idea that when we get inside the room, hopefully all of his friends are there. Oh my god, I'm super excited and also super nervous and also super scared, and I'm just like mixed right now. So yeah, I'll see you and I'll keep updating you, so keep watching. So I came home, they're doing this. So they started with the Iron Throne. How is it, Michi? You know, if you fail this, you're dead.
It's so hard. It's like I have to cut everything.
You did like stage 1. Kapo, what did you do?
She helped me cut.
Wow.
You see those knives? I cut.
What knives?
Swords, blades.
I see you have done progress. You have done progress, my young ones.
Yes.
With the spray
Come
paint gang.
here, Kapo. Sorry. Again.
How do you do gang signs?
Yung mga ginagawa nila. Ay, paano ba? This is cringy.
Sorry.
Kapo, come here.
You guys are cringy.
We the gang. Progress.
70% almost.
Just joking, 60. 60.
Wow. So they're doing the Iron Throne. Is it supposed to be that color or is it supposed to be darker?
We're gonna repaint it more.
Oh, okay.
With our own.
Usually the general.
We couldn't find a darker.
Oh. Look over there. It's a mission. Working really hard.
Working on. I'm a painter now.
Like layers lang.
Ito yung effect ko. Mention effect.
Two-man. Confused duo. I'm so done.
Dito. And me. Because it's 3 heads. You can be the ass.
I'll be that ring.
Yeah, you'll be the Ricara.
Hours.
Fuck you. Should I make the tongue in a pen or a different scissor?
QTC actors. One of the most challenging visual effects is making photorealistic human look.
It's the dragon, half the dragon. So it's about 2 weeks before the party. So the preparations are really getting tougher. It's getting tougher to keep it a secret too. Yesterday I started sending out the invites. So Michelle and Crystal are really helping me with like the whole decoration thing, because I can't fully be hands-on with it or else Adrian will notice. I have to rely on them and just believe that they will do a good job, and I think they are. So these are Michi's eggs.
Actually, more of crystal.
It's their hairy eggs.
It's crystal mine. I think I've lived.
So I'm basically making the top for the cake or the cupcake setup. Knowing Adrian, I don't know, I just want to make it a bit different. So instead of saying like, you know, your usual happy birthday, this is actually what we thought of. Chanan! You know nothing. And then his name is going to be written on the second layer of cupcake. So I think that would be pretty cool. But yeah, I am just dabbing coffee. My used BB blender. Oh, goodbye BB blender. This is probably the last time. But yeah, I'm just dabbing coffee on top of it. So it has that like that cypress paper kind of feel.
I'm the most tired. I do so much.
The whole.
Wow.
Yay, we checked in. Finally here in the room, and I'm gonna show you in a while. Makeup check, still looking great. Okay, let's move on. Here's the toilet. We got the Bella Suite from Venetian with the twin bed. Really very big, to be honest. Oh, there's the Iron Throne. We had to bring that all the way from Macau. It was so embarrassing. We actually looked crazy because we were like bringing so much bags. This will be 80s crown. I think it looks pretty dashing. Yeah, perfect fit. God damn. Looks great. We have a terrace. Oh my gosh. This is the outdoor area. Only bad side is that this is a smoking room, but I guess some of our friends would be smoking. We are at the very end. Oh my god. Update. We're blowing up the balloons. We got black and white balloons and I think they look pretty cool. We have a visitor. Those are the eggs. Michi's eggs. Your golden eggs. Well, gold, emerald, and ruby eggs. She wants to showcase her eggs.
Because I work hard. You know, this is harder for me than the show.
We're doing a little coffee break. So these two boxes have been in my office for about 3 days now. Yeah, because I work in Venetian as well, so it was just easier. Thank you for treating me. Where's my cake, bitch? Wow. As we're getting nearer, I am getting more and more frustrated. My sister left because she went to pick up my other sister to pick up the stuff from their place, and it's just going downhill from here because they haven't finished the banner yet. Oh my god, if you don't know me, I'm such a control freak and things like this really get to me, so I'm just trying to stay calm. Also, I'm trying to like keep up this act with Adrian that, you know, nothing is happening. Okay, so I'm setting up the cupcakes. Oh my god, I am in love. Thank you so much to Whip Macau. Wait, let me check. Oh, there you go. Oh no. Yeah, basically it's Whipped Macau. Go check them out. They are amazing. And I think the baker's name is Jobel. Thank you so much, Jobel. This is great work. So I'm putting little flags on the plain cupcakes where we have 2 more boxes over there. And don't worry, I am wiping them down before sticking them onto the cupcakes. So it's like, you know nothing? Adrian. Haha. Haha. I'm smart. I'm sorry, I forgot to update you, but right now I am in Adrian's place. I am hiding in the toilet because I can't vlog in front of him. But yeah, technically we came from Venetian, then we went here. I'm letting them all set it up in the room. My sisters are all there. Hopefully some of his friends are there already. It's the only check-in I could do. I'm trying my best to not look so obvious. I think he doesn't know yet. I don't know. I just really hope that he has no idea what's happening. I will check in on you. Hopefully they set up the camera to do the surprise because I really want to surprise him, like for real.
Ano totoo kay MZ? Siya yung may birth.
I don't remember this. This is for you, Mr. Jon Snow.
Can you help me? I really can't focus.
Yeah. There you go. Wow. You guys look amazing. Who are you supposed to be?
I'm George R. Martin, bitch.
This is my real beheading.
Do it! Do it! You should have brought your sword.
Hey, where's mine?
That is yours.
Oh, you took it?
Yeah.
Oh, you bamboozle.
Hell yeah.
Get a nice bucket.
Oh wait. Surprise! Surprise! Take two. That was even worse.
No, we put this on.
Kuya.
Quiet!
Okay.
Surprise! Where's the music?
Bye. What is this singer? What the fuck? Okay.
I don't want to.
Baby, time for you to blow your candle, my leg.
It's a video.
Oh my gosh, man. What a fan.
Okay. Happy birthday. Oh my god. Sing properly.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Stop.
Hold on!
Blow them candles though.
Hold on!
Oh, two more.
Hold on.
Yay!
Hayop na eh. Kasi kaya.
I'm sorry, I wanted to be there. Here with Miko. Miko, can you please share? Yeah, what do you think? Can I see it? Can I see it? Did it show? Kinda. I think it's a skate. What the fuck are you doing? Go away. Everyone's just excited to taste that shit. And oh my god, Maleficent is here. The evil bitch. What's that?
Gentleman Jack.
Wow. Having fun? Did you like? No surprise? Are you surprised? Are you actually surprised? Wow, look at me. Are you actually surprised? You love me? You love me? Nazi Germany fall. What year? Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Broken smile! Woo!
Not like you make more than me. Ganun mo to kayo, tinan mo.
Yeah, I'm looking. Okay. Wow!
you have to take my picture?
Are you gonna drink? Is he gonna drink?
Yes. It's your birthday.
Tanana, tingnan mo may pokpok ka na. Oh my god, I do not want to see that. Birthday drink!
Beginners! Kahit hindi ba ito beginners?
No comment.
Oh, galing!
Okay.
D, happy birthday, D!
Why?
The first one is at the bottom.
First one.
That's for Lourdes. Lourdes, go Lourdes. Inom. Woo, yay! Hey, infants. Di, okay ka lang.
Ano yun?
Oh my God!
Pag tayo.
You okay? So we reached the morning and most people are sleeping. Yep. Look at that. Look at that nice butt. Look at the nice panty butt. Yes. And everyone else is sleeping there. Hi, Bess. Oh, that's you. Sorry, I thought you were Angela. Good morning. So bright. So, your birthday's done. Did you get surprised? Are you happy? Your face does not change. It's still the same
Can we go now?
reaction. No. Yeah. Did you enjoy your birthday? But really though, I want you to tell me. Did you get surprised? That's it for this video. Kiss and goodbye.
Ate Jelly ka na.
Mwah! Hi! Oh my God.
Mwah!
Kiss and goodbye.
You have to kiss daw, AD. You have to like, you know.
Kiss and make up. I just